Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And as you can see here, we're taking the wings off of an airplane. The reason for that is we're doing a spar change. However, along the way, we want to stop here and talk to you about the step peg. Now, we have one on each side. It was an optional piece of equipment for the travelers, cheetahs, and tigers. There are no step pegs, folks, for the two-place airplanes. Sorry, rags. But anyway, we're going to talk about the step pegs, and we really want to talk about the bolts that hold them in place. And there are two of them. One is steel and one is aluminum, and we're going to get into a little bit of that fun and why they're like that. So stay tuned for a bit more fun coming your way.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
So now that we've seen the diagram, this is what the step peg looks like removed from the airplane. There's the doubler plate, the two big AN 970 washers, and the two bolts that hold it to the airplane into the blind captures. Now those bolts are special. The bottom one right there is a steel. It's an AN 5-21A. Not hard to come by. That one is the tough one. That's an aluminum. It's an AN 5 D21A. And the reason why it's aluminum is, and it has to go in the top, is if you would have a problem and a gear would fail, you're going to lay the airplane down on the belly of the aircraft and the step peg is going to want to fold up. If you have the steel pivot bolt in the top, it's going to tear up your complete wing root because that bottom bolt's going to shear. It's going to allow it to act like a scissor. If you have the steel bolt in the bottom and it crushes, what's going to happen is the peg is just going to simply fall down in the wing root. It's going to raise up on the outside, but the inside's not going to do any damage. So that's why you want to make sure you have that aluminum bolt on the tops. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the info for today. We hope you found it useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman, and an easy job of stepping into it.